Biopharmaceutical companies are rising to meet new challenges to increase the speed and capacity of manufacturing to keep pace with the growing demand for novel therapeutics and vaccines. A dramatic shift is underway as companies are rethinking drug development and manufacturing. But while speed and capacity grow to unprecedented levels, the approach to quality control must evolve at the same time, embracing innovative technologies to make these changes possible, while mitigating risk and ensuring data integrity. Conventional QC processes to monitor workflows and detect microbial contamination are too time and labor-intensive to keep pace, and these approaches are error-prone and not secure. Technology can shift the QC paradigm. The traditional 16-step manual QC process is transformed into a 6-step workflow by Rapid Micro Biosystems' Growth Direct platform. This high-throughput technology fully automates and accelerates microbial contaminant testing and can reduce labor requirements by up to 80%. Faster timelines and reduced labor enable manufacturers to confidently accelerate bioprocessing, maximize capacity, and reduce operational risk and downtime, all while maintaining the highest standards of data integrity. The Growth Direct platform has been integrated into the manufacturing processes of the majority of the world's top 20 biopharmaceutical companies. As the biopharmaceutical industry pursues new gains in speed and capacity, a cornerstone of this paradigm shift will be the integration of automated high-throughput approaches to QC. Foundational technology from Rapid Micro Biosystems will help pave the way for the brave new world of biopharmaceutical manufacturing.